Greetings and salutations, Team Scandal Bag. It is Carla Moore from MooreTalkJa, and I'm here. I'm here to talk about scandal, and you know, so someone analyst me, gonna stop tweeting me on Thursday. Although someone was tweeting spoilers at me. But I know someone analyst me because I haven't been watching. But my ad was to do with medication. That's what I say. Because I send me here to get medication. And if me take too long for done, I want to see when I go see me a Megamart and ask me why it take me so long for done. And this is not conjecture because some of them have come to me in Megamart and ask me why it is taking me so long to done, right? So I have to do medication. So I submit a full first draft and I get a little break right now. I'm going to have to take a little time because my head did feel like say cotton did a go in there. Like cotton did just a go in there and like the whole of the top of my cranium did out fully fast because of the cotton did a go in there. So I'm submit now, I feel alright. Also, this is my new granny hairstyle because I have one pin and it come out. So this is supposed to stay so, right? But when I look, my sister, a granny hairstyle the whole of the girl I wear. Like the whole of the natural hair girl, them like them wash the hair and then them blow it out and then them carry it back so in some series of bulbs coming back. So I say, oh, Pentecostal is wearing. I never think so Pentecostal would ever come in, but Pentecostal actually come in right now. You know Pentecostal when them take the brown paper and them wrap the ear on it so and then get the one little band come right here so and them take the ear pin and like pin it to make sure say it can't move. So I say, oh no, I'm gonna know granny more than me. So I just drop it all of my granny picture them. I'm gonna draw for my pearls, I'm gonna draw for my duster, I'm gonna draw for my body powder, I'm gonna draw for my orthopedic shoes. Because if I think that one is going to more granny than me and I have anything coming. Anyway, so I watch Scandal. I watch a lot of episodes back to back. I think I started at the one where Cyrus said that Olivia's father would slit her throat and drink the blood if it served the Republic. And I end up at the one where Olivia meets her mother, which is right after the one where Olivia's mother treats her own and them like prison food. Dumpling tight to remind me of me. So a lot of things were going on, right? So I made some notes while things were going on, and I have a series of questions that I want to ask. What it mean to say you get poked? When the man said we got poked, me I said, Jesus Christ, but look how Olivia team turning out one turbo something. Me feel like them get worse since we start watching them, you know. Me feel like Olivia and her team was at one level of disgusting, but them just get worse right now. Because at this point I never see them without a phone or a smirk by them face. Especially look at thin lip red hair girl. She always have a look on her face like she up to something. So I don't really know how this relationship with she and David is working because she is consistently going to be double crossing this man, right? We got poked. Let me see the other something because I have my other list over here. I just want to get through this list first. Yeah, alright. So, I want to notice if it's drop balls. Him get very gangster recently. I talk to people with beeps in her voice and I try to tell Olivia's father what is going to happen. Olivia's father kill people for fun. And more importantly than killing them, him actually drop you into a hole and like broke back your bone and set them back just for fun. So I feel like so when you are talking to this man Fitz, you need to take a little bass out of your voice. And then especially because in another type of world he would be your father-in-law, I feel you need to have a little respect for your elders. He needs you, so we need you. You see when Melly said a line there? I know that the whole teammates did rejoice. Because when I say, yes, Fitz need Olivia, some Melly need Olivia, so win the teammate. What you need to understand about Melly and Team Wife is this. They will allow teammate a momentary win in order to ascertain that they will take the rest of the war. So you will win one battle, but teammate Wife is going to win the war. And if it is one thing that we have learned is that Melly is willing to do, put up with, take, and stay silent on any number of things to ensure that she and Fitz win in the long run. So, I know that the whole I want to feel like Olivia just win, but Olivia never really did win anything at all, right? Sidebar, when we go into the store them up here in Canada, me see the people them are trying to make every type of dress feel look like the something them where Olivia wear. Every type of something that is white with black lace on it. Anyway, I have a series of questions that I want to ask. I'm just going to ask them right here. I wanted to look at Candy Girl. What is wrong with Candy? Lisa Kudrow, I can never remember her name in the show. Our little sister. What is wrong with that girl? And why is it that girl look like Sally Intermediate? Look on her good. You know, sister, she look like in the 10 years she gonna look exactly like Sally. She have a bird beak in the making. She have a bad attitude, and she refused to accept where her limited position of power end. She feel like she for call press conference and tell people that things are going on when she see one thief and robber and all of the type of something there. This is what happens when your sister is your mother. Sarah's just like a pimp husband, so? Sarah's really just like a pimp husband, so? Like Sarah's, this is just me and you talking now. When a man has lost his job, That man is vulnerable. He's in a strange position in his life. He doesn't know where is up from down. And you really think that is the time for you to push that man into close quarters with somebody who is younger and more attractive and probably kinder than you? Cyrus, I hope that man give you every type of bun. I hope him give you bun. I hope he gives you danishes. I hope him give you elephant ears and palm leaf. I hope him give you the little something them where them dip the two ending of the chocolate and it have the cream in the middle. I hope him give you a cream horn. Hope he gives you a cornbread. I hope he gives you everything. And Cyrus, when that man gives you all of these baked goods, slather butter on them, put them into the oven and consume all of them because you deserve it. You know why you deserve it, Cyrus? Because you almost killed the man. You were on the verge of killing the man because that was more convenient than dealing with any type of questions that he might ask. So you almost killed him and you basically sent him up to prostitute, or let me say it like you said, to prostitute himself. Just like you, Cyrus. In order for you to win, anything what this man do, it a go mad you, it a go juke you, you cry, you need to get up every day and deal with it. I hope him give a bun, I hope him give a bun with the man cousin, I hope him give a bun with your own cousin, anything this man did to you, Cyrus, you deserve it. But on the other hand, Cyrus' husband, you is a borderline gold digger. You is a borderline money hungry gold digger, because half of the reason you stay with Cyrus is because you are hoping he will give you a juicy tidbit that is going to land you some type of prize. So the two of you is well met and meeting. Next thing, why the first thing Olivia mother touch when she see Olivia or Olivia ear? Why should the first thing she touching at the weave? When you go back and look on it, the man gave her the picture of Olivia, she make her feel, and then the first thing she touch her Olivia weave. Why? There are so many other things that make, well, although Olivia ear is flawless. Olivia mother, I need to speak to you, but I'm gonna speak to you later. We're just gonna. Why Olivia walk like so when she enter fashion black in a New Kingston? When you see the scene when she have on the black and white dress and she walk up and down through the place, you got to meet with Fitz who turn out to be Melly. Why when Olivia walk, you just the shoulder go so and clavicle go so and all of them type of something here. Why Olivia you can't calm down your face and you can't calm down your body? There is no plyboard under you right now. You really need to calm down. Why is it that Sally look like inside her mouth smell like old suitcase? I look pan Sally mouth. No, me not look me. I know wicked. And the truth me attack. Sally look like her mouth smell old. She look like in her mouth smell like something like where your grandmother would have put camphor ball the night to try clear it up. Like she look like in her mouth have cobweb. Me don't know why. Me don't make up these things. I just observe them. Why they must make Melly hair favor crash helmet? I mean, although they've been trying to do a lot of things with Melly hair recently, but the one where she did have on when she have on the red frock, like both she and Olivia did have on some dress where come up so like Dracula. But why them look like Melly hair look like something where people mold out of mud and then just drop on top of her head? Look, Melly already have a very pronounced chin, only if you try to keep the ear soft. Why is it that we don't kill our Fitz yet? Why we don't kill our Fitz? Because, guys, let's be honest. Fitz is not a good husband. He's not a good man to be in an affair with. And he's not a good president. When the last time you see Fitz do any presidenting? When was the last time that you saw Fitz do any presidenting? All Fitz is doing is conducting affairs and walking around and trying to save his own image in the media. Lord God, see me look at something. Come on. Stay down. You're not going to stay down. Why would I kill? We need to get rid of it. We need to get rid of it. Let me tell you what we need. Let me tell you what we need. Shonda, I need you to elevate Jake to President of the United States. And I know that you can do it. Because Lisa Kudrow was just a loudmouth girl with an honor record. And only did almost take her turn president if she never want betray our sister, daughter, whatever. So, me feel like, say, him have basically the same credentials as she. So him did the time in the army. He's an American. And it seems like that's basically all you need in order to become the president of the United States. So I am more liking Jake right now. So I feel like you need to find a way to write Fitz out of the script. And then we can just turn Jake into the president. And we can reconvene this thing where Olivia is having a relationship with the president, because I like that dynamic. But right now, I'm sick of Fitz. Fitz kill off 300 and something people. Him bit about life. Him not have no backbone and can't stick up to him daddy. Him a play Melly and Olivia like when people with big body walk down the road, just up, down, one up, one down, on the up, all of them type of something here. He can't really make no type of decision. Right now, he's actually transgressed into full-on stalking, because Olivia, who was the real pimp, did have the dashway phone. Usually, matey don't have the dashway phone. Usually, it's a man have the dashway phone. Olivia have the dashway phone and she mash it up. And honestly, I expected the phone to start ringing from like the grave, because me did figure him did I give her some type of phone that was indestructible. But in truth, what he gave her was a flashlight phone. So big ups to the people them with the flashlight phone. Yeah, your phone is helping presidential affairs to happen all over the world. So him a stalk Olivia, and him just overall a bad person. So I say kind. So I feel like if we just get rid of Fitz, I feel like said we just make Jake president and all of them type of something there. So we need to get rid of Fitz. Why Charlie are going like him in love with Quinn and Quinn are going like she in love with Charlie? Like, everybody know that what is going on there is that Quinn could not get up. Because she did try rub up her little Nancy Drew self pan up, and up never bother look pan her. So she can't catch Quack or she catch him truck. So now she's going to live with Charlie. Now, Mama pause right here because I know some couldn't go no further here without taking the issue of Quinn. Quinn, from Quinn coming at the show, right? I never liked Quinn. I was very honest with her, no? I was very forthright. I said, I don't like this girl. I don't trust her. I don't trust her. I tell her to say, I think she's B613, 316, whatever it name, iron, vitamin D, whatever is the name of the something. I tell her, I feel that that is what she is, right? While I may not have been completely correct, I was not incorrect either. Because see there, she fall for this Charlie man, she get way ahead of herself in terms of her little spy game, and then she end up in a them land. So now she's completely within their control, right? We need to kill her. We need to get rid of Quinn. We need to get rid of Quinn. And since it is that she has had near-death experiences and survived, and since it is that Charlie does not seem to do it, I feel that right now, where Huck has come with this little tool case, it needs to just get rid of her. Because I'm sick of her. She has done so many things that have wronged me on a personal level. Like she's done a lot of things that have been offensive to me as a human. I mean, the first thing that she did is she interfered in Olivia's personal life, which we do not do. We do not do. You and I who are watching, we know about Olivia's personal life. But she's not supposed to know about Olivia's personal life. And she went into Olivia's email. I mean, how disrespectful is that? She went into Olivia's email and then she started to talk out Olivia's father. And then she pissed off Huck. I don't know how I feel about Huck. Before she upset Huck, me and Quinn were two currents traveling down the same river. But you see, when I realized that she broke up Huck, it's like one big island come up in the middle of everything. And I had to go that way and continue being a river. And she had to go over here and be the sea. Like at Duns River Falls. We just had to have a party in our ways. And Quinn, I think it's time to get rid of you. And moreover, you are a great grubby little keener. You come in like them little people that will sit down at the front of the class and enough of themselves and one teacher tell them how them amazing. You are trying to tell me, say you were killed somebody by accident. And then you manage to somehow get rid of the security footage. And it's like you want people to congratulate you unless it is that they corrected it like a pro. What is it? You want an A? You want them to put a little A on top of your report card? They want them to go hunt down the man or you kill off and by accident and put like one big star name for it to say, good work, Quinn killed you, good when you kill him by accident. Look here, Quinn. Look here, team no Quinn. Team no Quinn. Team Quinn must go. Team kill Nancy Drew. Team Shonda get rid of Quinn. Team we trust no Quinn or no Lindsay. Team the girl have to go. Team the girl is getting on my nerve. Team she upset up. Team Quinn down with Quinn. Quinn, me done with you. Me know what I got to you, but me did know some to go find out say you because me know who you think you did go fool up. You have some big old tough cow calf pan you and you have a very unattractive walk. If you came to Jamaica and went to a Jamaican school, you would have learned to walk like either a lady or a hot girl by the time you were 12 because all our practice of push out with chest, cock up your body and step cute, but you never learned that. So anybody who would have seen that distinctive little cow walk would have known it was you. Anyways, so why we don't call in Doyle to deal with them? You know who could deal with the Quinn and Charlie situation? Doyle. Sometimes I miss Doyle. I mean, he was a real dirty jagabat, like he was a real junk crab. I never really take to him. But honestly, I feel like Doyle is the only person who can help with the Quinn situation right now. Why Sarah's husband fool? Why Sarah's husband fool? Why did you actually feel like Sarah was trying to help you? That was a lame. Like, just no. Sarah's never trying to help you. Sarah's just trying to do everything to get what he can offer you. Get him on the bun and enjoy yourself, though. Can we talk about the green screen that went down with the helicopter? I said, may I watch something, you know? May I my business, I watch something, you know? And I say, Olivia going on the helicopter. So her ear actually come out and I look on her here. Because you know, you always look on Olivia here, so the ear and whatever. And when I see the reverse shot come, I see Olivia in front of the helicopter. I realized that the helicopter looked like it make out a cardboard. And the two men then back at the helicopter looked like it make out a cardboard as well. And that there was a big sheen over Olivia's head that is usually a sign of green screen. So you are trying to tell me, say, after all of the good press that Shonda has been doing for the office of the United States President, they were not able to borrow and give her one little official helicopter there. You try to tell me that? Shonda, we are above this type of green screen work. It's better you do a long distance shot or better yet leave that out altogether because this is completely beneath us. We are a series that has standards and this is below us. Why is it that Fitz is apparently the uncle daddy to his child? Anybody can tell me? Because it seems as though Melly conceived for Fitz's daddy because Fitz said that he was trying to get her pregnant and it seemed like they had been trying for a while, which would seem to imply to me that Fitz could not get her pregnant. So it was Fitz's daddy. Now, Fitz's daddy, I'm glad you're in your grave because you just raped your daughter-in-law and then the next day try to say things got a little out of hand. But Melly, you make out of something that I've never really seen a human made out of. real life. Because you took the rape, cried about it that night, and then the next morning used it to make the man do what you wanted him to do. Now, I don't really know how to position that other than to say, go Melly. Like, why is it that Fitz is telling Olivia about her orchard? Why is it that Olivia just tell the man, say, her daddy are the biggest spy in the nation. She just single-handedly destroying career and all of these type of things, and Fitz tell her about the house of her orchard. And why is it that real estate is so sexy? Why is it that a man just have to claim that he had gotten a house for you and all of a sudden people panty pop off? Olivia, me I gonna need you to do a little thing about yourself. Me need you to this type of policy is what I need you to have. Your policy now is kind of like this, sometimes like this, sometimes like this. But when Fitz come around, it generally end up like this. I need you to enact this type of policy in your life, and I need you to put something together where Huck put something around your legs so that when Fitz come around, them cannot move. Because who's a Fitz buy that house for you? Who's a Fitz buy that house for you? That house could have been any house on any number of blocks. He's the president of the United States. He could have rented it for one night. Did you go upstairs to see if it had all of the glass things that he was saying? Olivia? No. But you give up the little nookie to the man because him tell you say him buy this house. You don't have no proof that Fitz buy this house. Fitz, you need to stop yanking Olivia around. And you're going to make a, well, you can't really make an honest woman out there because you're really trying to run for president of the United States again. Me not really know if I make out on the situation, but Fitz, you're not treating her right as a matey. She deserves better treatment as a matey than she's getting from you. And if this situation continue, we're going to have to ask that we retract her matydom and that she move on to something to you. Why is it that Melly met the woman called Olivia? Melly, do not embarrass yourself by making the woman know that Fitz is with Olivia and both of them are not answering the phone. This is the time when you borrow somebody's phone, you block your phone number, and you shadily call Olivia yourself. You have had years of this man being unfaithful to you. You do not know how to play the psychotic wife yet? You need to get your act together. So, what else? Harrison, the girl. Harrison and the girl. Me know say Harrison I go sleep with the girl, you know. Because from this thing start, Harrison's a very attractive man, but me know say Harrison sleep with nobody. Me know say Harrison I go sleep with the girl. What I want to know is how this is going to tie into the man who's coming back into the country to kill Harrison. Like, is the girl going to kill the man? Is the girl secretly the man? At this point, me can't really trust Shana with anything. And Olivia mother. Olivia mother, we're tired, and we just want hugs, and we just want good things happening in life, and it's like, no, you come, and we just have to deal with all of this thing, and our first introduction to you is you throwing your way through your wrist, and it's like, we want to love you, because we're glad to know where Olivia get her nose from, and her smile, because in a favor, and you seem to have a vivacious personality, but what will we do with you? What will we do with you? We are deal with so much something. Sally husband a secretly gay man. Sally really thinks she gonna be president. Sally give it up. It is never ever going to happen. Cyrus a pimp out him husband. If husband a take the opportunity to give him bun. Melly really still there with Fitz with after all of that. And Fitz really still a run for president after all of the something them went bad. Olivia still managed to have an entire wardrobe of full white clothes. And still managed to look flawless. And still can't hug people. And still have emotional constipation. But we still sit down here week after week and watch her, and now we have to deal with you, and we still not even know what Harrison's story have go. Olivia, mother man, we need. Where you come from? Where you come from? What is the thing you did so wrong why you had to go? What kind of childhood you did have that allow you to chew through your wrist with wild abandon in order to get out of a place? I mean, you is a real girl boss, because honestly, you not take no check. Honestly, if there was anybody who did have to deal with Olivia, that is you. You are the honest man who can deal with this man, because as we can see, the man really half balanced, like him half guilty. But Olivia, man, we don't really know if we do with you because we are full, and we're not really sure if we have no time to check you. But you're here, so we have to deal with this. So here me tell you now, Olivia, mother, here more want from you. I want you to tell Olivia something she can use to take down her father. Because we're sick of the father, right? In return, Shonda is going to write a storyline for you where you know live with Olivia, you're alive, but you're going to live somewhere far off, right? So we're going to put you in a protective custody. So Shonda, we need you to write that. So make Olivia mother give us some information we can use to take down the daddy, and then Olivia mother go off somewhere far, Olivia go visit her for a weekend. No. Olivia, we don't want you to take bad fits. Don't take bad fits right now. Like, we know same by the house and it was a very sweet gesture, but right now we want you to just hold him off. Like, tie him out like Rambo. Make you go take him back yet because I'm not really sure about him. Melly now. Melly, I want you to start an affair with somebody because we did see you flirt up with Sally husband, backing up the wrong tree, but I feel like you can back up an next tree. Start a little affair, make it bun fits right now. Cyrus, you just name the whole of the baked goods where your husband and go here right now. Cyrus husband, give him every type of baked goods known to man. Harrison, I want to know what happened with you and the girl and the man who want to kill you, but more importantly, I want to know if the girl is secretly the man that want to kill you. Thin lip ready, girl. I want you to stop Brock David Rose and all time. I want you to stop sleep with the man at night time and use your vagina to extract all type of different secrets from out of the man. Olivia, I want you to stop act like Fitz penis and sneak up on you because me see when you not have sex in the place like every time him come near you, and all of them something there. Olivia, you've been having sex with this man for 5 years. Anything that his penis can do, you are familiar with it. So I know you're trying to stroke his ego, but none of us are believing you. So stop looking so shocked by everything he do. And plus, we have seen him in boxers. There's not really much there. Who else me left for address now? Quinn, me just disappear. Charlie disappear and go along with Quinn. B613, Olivia Daddy, we're not done with you yet. We're not done with it yet. Stick around. Call Olivia mumma come for war you. I don't really know what you do. I don't really care. But you have broken Olivia's heart. And you have that has put you on our hit list. So you up on the hit list, Queen up on the hit list, fits adjacent to the hit list. Solid up on the hit list. Right? So about 6 people in the whole show we can take. The rest of them we just want to pack up in a barrel and dash over one. Alright? So that is it for me. I don't know if it'll come this week because I never really Google, but you see, this is a good time for a break. And remember last season where Olivia did I give it all of the break them? This is a good time for a break because people have to carry on with their everyday lives and we can't really function like this anymore. So yeah, big up the sun. Big up the sun and big up Dirty Berry for all of the blogging we are doing. Yeah, big up all the Jamaican bloggers them. And yeah, Olivia mother prison food. Bye.